You are watching channel Maths and Methods Academy. In this video, we are going to evaluate the given arithmetic expression by applying BODMAS rule. If you want to understand BODMAS rule in detail, then you can watch one of my videos, link of which is given in the description of this video. Let's move toward the solution of this question. But before we move toward the solution, let us briefly understand what BODMAS is. In the word BODMAS, actually each letter stands for some word. Let us write it down. BODMAS, BODMAS. B stands for brackets. There are 4 types of brackets: line bracket, small bracket, curly bracket and square bracket. O stands for order. Order means any number raised to power or square root of any number, etc. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Okay, we get back to our solution now. First of all, we will solve the bracket. There is only one bracket here, small bracket, this one. So 2 plus 4 divided by 22 plus 6 is 28, and since that is the only number left within the bracket, so we will remove the bracket. Now in order to solve this division, we will replace it with multiplication and write the reciprocal of the number which is coming after this. It is 28, so it will be 1 over 28. Okay, 4 ones are 4 and 4 sevens are 28. Since the last 3 numbers are all with multiplication sign, so we can solve them together, like 4 into 1, 28, into 2, these are 3 numbers with multiplication. So now we have 2 plus 2 over 7. We will take LCM 7. This will come out to be 14 plus 2 is equal to 16 over 7, which is equal to 2 whole number with a fraction of 2 over 7, which is the answer of this question. That's all for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Until the next time, take care and bye.